Okay, so we got this diagram. A circle is enclosed by a square, and each side of the square is 8 centimeter. Okay, so this side is 8 and this side is 8. In fact, all the sides measures 8 centimeters. And find the area of the shaded region. This is the shaded region. Okay, so they want us to work out the shaded region. This here and also here. And we need to leave our answers to one decimal place. So what we will do first is to work out the area of the square, and the area of the square, which is L squared or S squared, is the same thing as 8 times 8 or 8 squared, which is 64. Same squared. And then the circle, the area of circle, which is pi radius squared, and the radius is 4, and that's going to be 16 pi. Okay, and if you add the units, you probably may have cm squared. So to work out the shaded part, which includes here, and then here, you need to do the area of the square, subtract the area of the circle. So if you have to do that, so the area of the shaded part or shaded region, if you have to put like that, will be 64, which is the area of the square, subtract 16 pi, okay, which is the area of the circle. Now I would love to simplify this, because it's going to be a lot easier if I have to subtract this to get my answer to one decimal places. So I'm going to do 64 take away 16 pi, and of course if I put on my answer, I can see my answer right on the screen is 13.73, but to one decimal place that will be 13.7. so 13.7, and the unit definitely is centimeter squared. Now this is the area of these shaded parts. Okay, again, I hope you understood it. Again, thank you so much, and of course, do have a wonderful time.